Yeah, maybe. Let's do this. So we all know about the movie adaptation of Cats that came out this past Christmas. Josh and I saw it in theaters, and we had thoughts. If you want to hear them in a future vid, please let me know in the comments. Today, however, I'd rather reflect on a movie adaptation I grew up with way back in 1998, with a makeup design inspired by that production's Victoria. Going back to my theater kid roots. Also, if you happen to hear some typing in the background, thanks to the coronavirus, my Sharonavirus, me and my husband are working in the same room, which means I have to do a lot of my voiceover stuff while he's working from home on his computer. And that's how shit is right now, man. So, with all that in mind, let's get started. Okay, with my hair up and green color correcting base on, first things first, I gotta get whiter. Didn't think that was possible? Me either. After doing a layer of concealer under my eyes, I dust on white shadow all over my face. Why am I using white shadow and not face paint? Because I'm out of that shit. Now I'm contouring with a light nude shade, creating like a feline-inspired face shape. Alright, blend that shit all in. Now I'm dusting on a pink to my nose to create a cute little kitty cat boop snoot. Alright, now we're going to add another layer of white, avoiding where I contoured earlier. Alright, next I'm putting concealer on my eyebrows and then a light grade shade over that. Using the same gray, I'm making sort of like tabby stripes. Finally, we're on to the eyes, with a light pink on the inner half and a dark pink on the outer half. Dab on concealer onto the eyelid and put a peach shadow over that. Alright, gonna pop a nice nude, neutral color on my lip. Okay, now I'm gonna go a little crazy with the white liquid liner to emphasize those tabby stripes. And then I tone them down because I realize how harsh they are. With my beauty blender, just kind of dab a little bit of it off and kind of fade it. Now using the same liner, I make some whiskers. Hey bros, it's your sleep paralysis demon. Now we switch to the black eyeliner, making a cat eye. A couple of dots on my new whiskers, and then a split line under my nose. Now we're going to add a little dark pink under the lower eyeliner line. Okay, and now it's time for lashes. Put on the lashes, Amy. No, not the wig yet. It's lashes. Ah, shit. Well, we're skipping lashes today, which means all we need now are some ears, and the look is complete. Ish. So what is a Jellicle cat? Well, let's discuss it over lunch. I've suddenly got a wicked craving for a saucer of cream.